Puta merda.
Parana, Brasilia, Thursday, October 24, 2024.
Deitou o trem aí.
A natural disaster in the form of frightening strong winds caused serious damage in several areas of the city of Medianeira, Parana, on Thursday, October 24, 2024, at around 1 p.m. local time.
Ó aí, pesado, aqui na 163, ó. Ó aí a torre ali, ó. Ó a torre aí, ó. Morreu a torre, ó. Ó aí, ó.
Ó, amor. Tá tudo em cima das máquinas, só que não pegou em cima do...
The phenomenon, which lasted less than 5 minutes, caused panic among visitors at the Medianeira Bank branch and broke glass at the Medianeira Bank, knocked down electricity poles, collapsed roofs, uprooted trees, and blocked important highways such as PR 495 and BR 277. The most serious case was recorded in Rua Oswaldo Aranha, in the Belo Horizonte neighborhood, where the roof of a house was thrown onto 2 other residences. At the administrative headquarters of Cooperativa Lar, the wind broke windows and collapsed part of the roof of the parking lot, hitting vehicles. 2 employees suffered minor injuries.
Todos os carros. Gente, vamos baixar as cortinas aqui.
Não pegou no trator, né? Trator.